Welcome to day one of the challenge, ladies. And in this video, we will review what we should be covering in our book today. So, the book that I am reviewing with you is the 10-Day Meal Prep Challenge book for the Intermittent Fasting Diva from Amazon. So, if your book has not arrived, no worries, just watch this video. So this is day one, and if you do have your books, it should be right in the front of the book, of course, because it's day one. I'm looking at the book now and should be on page 8. Each day there is an assignment, even in the book, just like on our website, and it says to complete the goal sheet found on the next page and join our Facebook group, The Intermittent Fasting Diva. You do not have to join that Facebook group because we are literally hosting a challenge here in our Divahood group. So do not join that extra group. We are hosting this challenge for free in our Divahood group for you. So do not join that extra Facebook group. This challenge is free in our Divahood group, and you're already in the right place. So today, post a picture of your goal sheet, a picture of yourself, and just share a little bit about yourself. We want to know you and we want to know what your issues and troubles are. If you've already done that, no worries. So let's talk about the goal sheet. The whole purpose of this video is to review the goal sheet. So the goal sheet is found in your books if you have it on page 10, if you have the latest copy of the book. So at the end of this challenge, or it may say if you have purchased the book, it may say by the end of this month. This goal sheet is also found in your Healthy Habits Wellness Planner as well. So it may say by the end of September, I will achieve the following health and wellness goals. So take the time to list out the actions that will support your goals. So write down a few goals, maybe just one if you want to focus on just one. So let's say the goal is to, by the end of this challenge, I hope to have lost 2 inches off my waist. I hope to have lost 10 pounds. I hope to have gained new habits. Okay, so you write those goals in this area. And then what you do is you think about those goals and then associate action to them. Oftentimes we create goals, but there's no action steps. So ensure that you are taking full on action. So identify 6 actions that you can take to achieve your realistic goals at the end of the month. Please be realistic. It is realistic to change a few habits. It is realistic to lose, 10, 12 pounds. Some ladies do that in the first week, right? So those things are realistic. But to get a six pack or to change your entire body in 30 days, that is not going to happen. So be realistic and then take action. So if your goal is to lose 10 pounds, first action, I will meal prep. I will drink my water. I will get my sleep. Make those actions real. And then put dates around them, right? Or times around them. So if your action is to support your 10-pound weight loss, if your action is to get more sleep, you can also say, instead of just saying, I want to get more sleep, I will sleep 7 hours a night and commit to going to bed by. Make these goals and these actions solid. Give them a specific date and a specific time for them to be completed, right? And so these are your actions. Previously, I did not meet my goal because, and previously means for us, if you've been challenging with us for a while, it means the previous month. So this is September. So in August, why did I meet or did I not meet my goal? Right? Why? If you're just joining us, it can just be generally, have I met these goals previously? Did I do anything to meet a goal last month? Why not? How would I rate my effort towards my goal? Right? And that would be for the previous month. Previously, how would you rate that effort? Right? So it's giving you the opportunity to really just think about what's happened before and juxtapose that against what's going to happen now, your goals and your actions. These are your staples for this challenge. And this, my friends, my divas, are your goal sheet.